In this video, I will guide you how to turn any number into Roman numerals in Word for uppercase and lowercase as well. Word has a built-in calculator function that translates any standard number into Roman numerals. For this, you need to press the Ctrl plus F9. This will insert a special pair of curly brackets that looks like this one. You cannot just type these brackets with your keyboard, you must use the shortcut. Now inside those brackets type the equal sign and followed by the number you want to convert, for example 2026, and then add slash, put the asterisk and type ROMAN, and now press F9 while your cursor is still inside the formula to run it and reveal your Roman numerals. Your number instantly will turn into Roman number in uppercase. So if you want to lowercase Roman numerals, so for this you need to press the Ctrl plus F9 again to insert the curly brackets, and now put the equal sign and type the number, for example 99, put the slash asterisk and now this type ROMAN. Make sure R should be in lowercase, and now again press F9. It will instantly convert into lowercase numeral numbers. So if you ever to edit the number later, just right click the Roman number and select the toggle field codes to change the value. So change the number, for example 299, and again press F. Hidden field code provides a fast automated way to convert large number into perfect Roman numerals without doing any manual calculation. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.